Welcome back to another question of the month. My name is Yvonne, and for the month of May, the question of the month is as follows. Now that AI and ChatGPT can be used to create a fake chart, what advice would you give someone living with HIV to protect themselves? So I know for some people this is going to be very controversial, but here is my answer. If you are someone living with HIV and you are following you're taking your medicine and following your medical protocol, medical procedure, and you are undetectable, I believe that you have the right to inform the diagnoses to the people who you want to inform, because you're doing everything correct to make sure that you can pass on the virus. I would encourage people to be open and tell whoever they're with that they are positive and undetectable, but I also understand that not everybody will do that. If you are positive and you are not on medication and you're not doing everything possible to keep yourself undetectable, then, or if you are on medication but still detectable, you have every right, you have an obligation, both morally and legally, to let your sexual partners know, or anybody know that might in one way or another be able to contract the virus. But I also don't believe that it should be HIV people, positive people, to protect themselves. It is also to anybody, period. This means that those who are negative and you're sexually active or anything like that, you should be on PrEP, because that will reduce the chances of you getting the virus and be healthier that way. It's also for people who don't know their status. They should be getting tested. Anybody having sex should be getting tested, whether it's 3 months or 6 months, depending on the person. And if you are negative, you come out negative, then you should definitely go and get PrEP. And if you come out positive, you should immediately start going to your doctor and getting a regimen so then you can become undetectable. That is the best way to keep yourself protected. For those who believe that at any point you should be people, whether they're positive or negative, or whether they're positive or undetectable, they shouldn't be telling anybody. I would say that is a very personal thing. My diagnosis is mine, not anybody else to share. And if I've done everything I can to stay undetected and able to not transmit the virus, then I have done my part. And nobody should be outing nobody for that reason. We need to stop with the stigma and build a community where people can talk about their being positive or being negative and being undetectable. Too many people are still not educated, and that's where we need to be more. With that, I would tell anybody, be sincere, be open-minded, and know that the best way to protect yourself, whether you're positive, negative, or anything, is to educate yourself. Be on PrEP, get tested, and if you are positive, to continue with your medication and regimen so that everybody can know that you're undetectable and you're not willing to pass the virus to somebody else. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of May, and really, honestly, I'm looking forward to the nice weather because I get to go outside more and be out there in the mountains and everything. But mostly stay positive about life. Stay positive no matter what is going on in today's country, because today we're alive and we should enjoy it. Have a great day and see you next time.